Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Webflow API. Let's get started. First go to webflow.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your dashboard. In here, hover over your selected site, click on this three-dot icon next to your site's name, then click Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings on the left panel, click on the Apps and Integrations section. Then just scroll down to the API Access section. In here, click on Generate API Token, and this pop-up will appear where you need to name your token in this field. Then click on Generate Token at the bottom once you're done. After this, Webflow will generate a token for you. Click on the copy icon next to your API token and store your token somewhere safe, as this will not be available anymore once you've exited this pop-up. After that, just click on this Hide Token Forever button right here. This token is like a password, so you can access your Webflow API for your site. And that is how you can use Webflow API. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.